If you want to save money on your hosting or web hosting purchase, I have a Hostinger discount offer that will get you Hostinger hosting for up to 86% off plus a free domain name. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Hostinger coupon code that will get you a Hostinger discount on Hostinger web hosting. I'll be providing you with a Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout that will save you money no matter what hosting or web hosting plan you choose. You'll also be able to get a free domain name depending on the plan you choose, which I'll cover in this video. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the Hostinger discount so you can save some extra money on your Hostinger web hosting purchase. To get your Hostinger coupon code discount, click the link below in the description. I provide the Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout with the link. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Let's get started. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger homepage. Scroll down to the next section where it lists the plans. You'll see the single, premium, and business shared hosting plans. Something to keep in mind is the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted once you enter the promo code at checkout. The Hostinger promo code will work for any of the other hosting plans, such as the Hostinger WordPress hosting, Hostinger Cloud hosting, Hostinger VPS hosting, and any of the other plans Hostinger offers. For the Hostinger shared hosting plans, there is the single shared hosting plan, which comes with one website. In this plan, you won't get a free domain name. The premium shared hosting plan comes with unlimited websites and a free domain name on any annual plan, but not for the monthly option. The business shared hosting plan comes with unlimited websites and a free domain name on any annual plan, but not for the monthly option. After you choose a plan, hit the select button. On this page, it'll show you the price. This is the price without the additional discount. Now let's add the Hostinger promo code. Scroll down to the total section. Enter the Hostinger promo code found in the description with the link. Once you click the plus icon, scroll back up to the top. You'll see the additional savings you'll be saving on your Hostinger hosting purchase. That is all there is to it. You've taken advantage of the Hostinger coupon discount. Thanks for watching. That is my Hostinger coupon code discount. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.